right, good day everybody. This is Todd Mitchell. It is Wednesday, and what a day we had. We actually, the market, if you recall, opened down considerably lower and staged a huge rally. And I'm thinking this could be it. We could be up. We could start rallying now. I mean, I think we had a nice reversal day. We're looking at the E-minis, right? The continuous chart, right? Night session, day session. Let's look at the SPY. Okay, but take a look at that. We opened. Let me take a look. Let me show you a 3-minute chart. Okay, so we opened up considerably. Okay, this is where we closed on Tuesday. Closed at 2613.5 and opened up at 2572. I mean, that's equivalent to about a 400-point Dow open. Okay, so that's a big opening to the downside. Look at that first 3-minute bar. You know, and I've showed this many times in videos that I've done in the past, that when you get a huge gap lower, the way I like to do it, again, if you day trade, what I like to do is I like to wait. I like to sit and wait for the first 3 or 5 minutes, and if the market can take out that high, then you'd be looking for the market to potentially fill that gap, right? So this morning it opened up, took out that high. Again, initial stop below the low, looking for a big run. And you know, we got it in a lot of tech stocks today. Overall market, lots of stocks made a huge move to the upside, and there were so many great opportunities to be buying it. Okay, so again, a big day. Again, let's just take a look. This was an outside day, right? What's an outside day? An outside day, right, is when we take out both extremes to the prior day, right? So this was the low on Tuesday, and we took it out marginally, but we took it out nonetheless. And then the high of Tuesday, here, let's just do this to make it easier, was right here. So when the market came up and took out the high of the day, that was a confirmation that we had an outside bar, right? 26.18 3/4. Look at that. Went to 26.19.5. So it took out yesterday's high by just 3 ticks, okay, and then fell back and retraced beautifully, where there was actually a fantastic setup right in here. Okay, a beautiful setup to go long this market. Okay, so that's enough for the intraday trading. Let's go back to the daily charts and take a look. Okay, so again, look at today. Look at it very closely. Now, market put in this low back in early February, rallied up, came down, really came close to testing this low back on Monday here. And then today, I mean, look at that. Took out the low, took out the high, closed in the top quarter. Therefore, I do suspect this market will move higher. How much higher? I don't really know, but I would expect probably at least 8 points in the SPY back up to this level sometime in the next few days. I mean, today was a very strong day, so it'll be interesting to see if we get follow through tomorrow. I suspect we will. Look at the Russell. Huge move, right? Dow, again, another outside, and then NASDAQ, another huge. I mean, NASDAQ, I mean, look at it. If you were looking to do anything, you were looking to buy those calls in this area, right? Approach that 200-day moving average after such a strong market that we've seen. I mean, these are just gifts. These are gifts when the market pulls back, right? This is what we're looking for. We're not getting scared as the market's selling off. We look at these sell-offs as opportunities to get long, right? Makes a new high, market just really sells off again, gets near that 200 moving average. A great opportunity to get long, okay? Now, if you look at some individual stocks, like Amazon, right, getting close to this moving average here, indecision after the sell-off, I believe we're going higher, okay? I look at these sell-offs as opportunities, okay, to get long. So let's take a look at ARNA. ARNA, I've been putting this on the watch list for quite a while. I was actually looking for the market to pull back in this zone down in here to get long. We didn't really get it, so missed an opportunity in here. But look at what we have now. 2 consecutive inside days, right? High lower than Monday's high, low higher than Monday's low, right? Today's low higher than yesterday's low, and today's high is slightly lower than yesterday's high. So what we have here is a double inside vertical bar, right? That's contraction. Contraction leads to expansion. So in this stock, I'm looking to buy it as we break up through 37.55 to a minimum 37.65, about a 10-cent penetration up through this high. Once you see that in the underline, I would buy the call option. You could do the call option. I'd go at least 2 full months out. I'd go to the June. Again, it's up to you whether or not you want to do in the money, out of the money. It's up to you, okay? Have a great night. Be back with you tomorrow. Bye.